Hello everyone. Now let us see grade 4 concepts covered in first lesson maths. The lesson's name is building with bricks. So have you ever seen brick? Yes. Brick will be used to construct the buildings. So brick will be cuboid in shape. So what are the properties of brick? Brick is in cuboid in shape, right? So the cuboid properties will be there in brick. It has 6 faces. It has 8 corners. Corners can be said in the name of vertices. It has 12 edges. Faces, we can see 6 faces in brick. Up, down, left, right, front and back. So there are 6 faces. It has 8 corners and 12 edges. What is meaning of edges? Edges is the line which join 2 faces. So this is the edge, the line which join 2 faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges and 8 corners. What is meaning of corners? It is a joining point of edge. Corner is joining point of edge. See here in this corner, 3 edges are joining together. So this is the corner. Here also 3 edges are joining together. This is also one of the corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 corners in the brick. Now we are going to learn brick patterns. What is brick pattern? We will learn it now. Nowadays, we are using different designs of tiles to decorate our house, right? But in previous days, before 20 or 30 years or previous days, bricks were used to decorate buildings, and they used different patterns to decorate the houses and buildings. So there are 4 patterns: floor pattern, wall pattern, jolly pattern and arch pattern. Let us see that detailedly. Floor patterns. So bricks were arranged in different patterns to decorate the floor. See, some patterns are given here. They have arranged so beautifully. See, the first one is arranged in circular pattern. Second one is arranged in zigzag pattern. See the third one, it is square pot pattern. The same way, the fourth one also zigzag pattern. So these are all floor pattern which were used in previous days. Wall patterns. Bricks are arranged in a pattern to make a wall strong and decorative. Nowadays we are using tiles as an outer layer to decorate the walls, right? Inside the bricks are arranged in pattern to make a wall strong. But in previous days, they used only the bricks to make walls decorative. Could you find the patterns in the wall? So each and every pattern is different. So each and every pattern is different and it will be stronger. So that in previous days they used these kind of patterns to make a building stronger. Next, jolly pattern. Jolly pattern is like a windows. Jolly walls are walls which allows controlled passage of air and light into the interior space, like a window. Nowadays we are using windows in the using of metals and woods. But in previous days they made a windows using brick itself. So they are all called as jolly patterns, jolly walls. The light through the jollies through pattern of light and shadow of the floor. Bricks will be arranged with a gap. They are called as jolly pattern. See here some jolly patterns. Could you find difference in each and every pattern? They are all jolly pattern. The last pattern is arch pattern. These arch patterns are used to decorate the entrance of the building or rooms or decorate the windows. So arch patterns were used to decorate the buildings. Let us see some arch patterns. Could you see the arch patterns? See the arch? It's looking beautifully. It's arranged. The bricks are arranged so beautifully. It's circle shaped. See how it is arranged. Here also it is arranged in circular shape. These are all some arch patterns. See, these also some of the arch patterns. See how many arch patterns were used in previous days. Yes, let us learn how to write the numbers. What are the ways to write the numbers? We can write the numbers in three forms: standard form, expanded form, and word form. Standard form means the numbers are writing in the numeral form is called as standard form. See, 257 standard form. When we write in the expanded form, each and every digit will be written in the form of place value. So 200s, 200. 5 is in tens place, so 50. 7 is in ones place, so 7. 200 plus 50 plus 7. The one more form is word form. It is written with the using spellings. 257. So these are all three forms of the numbers. See how to write the number 8743. It is written in the expanded form. So 8000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 3. So 3 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 7 is in hundreds place, 8 is in thousands place. 8000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 3. See how to write expanded form. 7294. 7000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 4. Now try yourself. 53,428. How will you expand the number? 90,450. 81,210. How will you expand the number? Check your answers. 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 8. So 90,450 will be written. 90,000. There is no number in thousands place. It is 0. So we have to construct 0. Plus 400 plus 50 plus 0. 81,210. How will you write? 81,000. So 80,000 plus 1,000. 81,000 will be expanded in the form of 80,000 plus 1,000 plus 200 plus 10. There is no number in ones place. Ones place we have 0. So we have to write it as 0. Bead in 10,000 place. 10 in other strings we don't have any beads, so we have to take it as 0. So 1 0 0 0 is 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000. Here I have added bead in thousand. So 80 and 1, 81,000, 82,000, 83,000, 84,000, 85,000, 86,000, 87,000. So fifth and fourth place are called as thousands family. So we should read the numbers, the word thousands. How will you read the numbers? Let us read 5-digit numbers. Okay. How will you read this number? In 10,000 we have 3 beats. In thousands we have 4 beats. So 3 and 4, 34,332. How will you read the number? 34,332. How will you read this number? It is 26,000. 2 in 10,000's place, 16,000's place. So we should read it as 26,324. So 26,324. How will you read this number? There is no beats in hundreds place. So we have to consider a 0 in hundreds place, right? So 1 in 10,000's place, 5 in thousands place, 0 in hundreds place, 6 in tens place, 1 in ones place. So we have to read the number 15,061. The next one, 2 in 10,000's place, 0 in thousands place. So 20,256. Now let us draw abacus for the given numbers. It is 40,231. So you have to draw abacus with 5 strings. You have to draw the beats according to the given numbers. Second number is 53,006. Here zeros are given in tens and hundreds place. So we should not draw any beats in tens and hundreds place. Practice it. Let us learn place value and face value. What is place value and face value? See the numbers here, 2,356. Number 5 is underlined. Let us check the face value, place value and place of the 5. Face value means what? The number, how it is looking. It's looking like 5. So face value is 5. Wherever the number is placed, it's not a problem. How it is looking? It is looking like 5. So face value is 5. Place means in which place it is. In which place it is. So it is in tens place. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. It is in tens place. So the number 5's place is tens. Then what is place value? Place and place value is differs. Okay. Place value means how many number is there in the place. Tens place 5. So there are 5 tens. So answer will be 50. The same way, see the second number. It's in 900s place. 9 is in hundreds place. So the face value is 9. 9 is looking like 9. So it is face value. How it is looking? Face value. And it is in hundreds place. So place is hundreds. Place value, how many hundreds are there? There are 900s. So place value is 900. See the next one. 5,896. 6 is underlined. So face value is 6. And it is in ones place. And place value also 6. Let us see place value of 5-digit numbers. See 37,159. So 3 is in tens place. 3 is in 10,000's place. So it stands for 30,000. 7 is in thousands place. So its place value is 7,000. 1 is in hundreds place. Its place value is 100. 5 is in tens place. Its place value is 50. 9 is in units place. That means ones place. Its place value is 9. Now we are going to find place value and face value of the given underlined digits. So face value is 7. Place is 100. It is in hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Place value is 700. How many hundreds are there? 700. So this is place value. So one more example. The 4 place value is 4. Place is thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Place value is how many thousands are there? 4,000. So we have to say 4,000 is the place value of 4.